Hello, now I'm going to demo my hackathon project. So first we log in over here. And something could remind that we should not reload the page because it is a GitHub page and the router is somehow will not refresh to the interviewer here. So this is the right, so always from the right link and should not reload over here because the reload page will cause a problem here. And so the first we'll test over here, log in, and here I have a process we just did before over here. And back to history, we can back to the pages, and here we can start a new process and let's see maybe a Q&A. Here we'll choose our resume, and if we don't have a resume, we can type it over here, it's fine. Okay, so let's start it, it will take some time for generation.
Can you explain what Fast API is and what are some of its key advantages compared to other Python web frameworks?
I don't really know about this, but Fast API is very fast and is user friendly, and we have many documents and test our Swag UI for this. And yes, we can record it, but we can start over here.
What is a primary key in PostgreSQL and why is it important for database design and data integrity?
And we will receive the question over here, and let's see. The key is that we have the unique for each row, and it's not null because it should be not knowable, and something like that. And we submit here.
Can you explain what CI/CD stands for and briefly describe the main goals of implementing a CI/CD pipeline?
So CI stands for the continuous integration because the development we need the development to become non-stop and make the version for each developer is available for each update. And for the CD is a continuous deployment. We allow the product can be continuous update or having a new version, new feature without the stable version is break. And here we have some other problems for the more scenario problem. It was generated by the user's feedback and the user's problem CD. And here the voice.
Our Fast API microservice processes orders and integrates with a legacy inventory system via
for the demo. Yeah, and maybe you just I don't really know about this, but I don't know. Yeah, and just for the demo for time, you can see here another question over here. So you say this is a classic large payload bottleneck, and maybe we should re-architecture and default validation because the streaming body approach is not.
Our Fast API service is the inject
payload and should not stream in a big string or the big file over here. Stop and we can submit our. And here we have a problem over here, and yeah, we need to wait for the voice audio because some is streaming, we have streaming large audio.
Our Fast API service
solution is to leverage the Fast API flatball. We should use a CDEF instead of the only def. Yeah. And here we need to re-record it because usually it's not good recording. We can record it. Here the def endpoint is the easier one, but we should use the async def to use that. Here after that we will have receive our score, and you can see the score is still still generating. And if we didn't break the backend or we didn't do, let's say we didn't, yeah, I would say we refresh here, refreshing. We can wait for the code to generating. And here we have history of each interview, so user can have the feedback and to know what to do, what to answer, and how's the feedback and each problem generation like this. And here I would like to including some graph, some deck graph. Here we have the overall agitation. So here we have the post, we have the each state we will receive, we will try to handle the user's data from the database, and we will onboarding graph and have the problem set, next the first problem generation, and we have the knowledge graph, the expert graph that will have the web search to generate a reference data, reference answer, and interview graph for ask question, user will answer, and we will change the text and answer. We will have the background question generation looping here, and we have the scoring graph also parallel in the background, and generating the data for getting the score data according to the reference data from the reference of the knowledge graph. So we have a great scoring over here, and that's all. Thank you.